real, they out here feeding people, and that's what that shit is all about, y'all.
All about, yo.
And they taking the initiative to do it themselves. I mess with y'all, and y'all need to be the people that be running for office. These are the people that should be in office, not the knuckleheads.